Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about TrafficGuard Alternatives. TrafficGuard detects, mitigates, and reports on digital ad fraud before it hits your advertising budget. Sitting within the advertising journey, TrafficGuard analyses impressions, clicks, conversions, and events to mitigate ad fraud at its earliest reliable detection. Our proactive approach keeps your performance data clean and helps you scale and optimize your advertising confidently. ClickCease Vs TrafficGuard. ClickCease and TrafficGuard both start the price at $50 per month. TrafficGuard has a free version while ClickCease does not. Although ClickCease is for PPC advertisers and business owners, TrafficGuard caters to any business advertising on Google Ads. TrafficGuard is popular for industries such as information technology and services, SMB, and MidMarket and Enterprise. ClickGuard Vs TrafficGuard. ClickGuard starts at $19 per month while TrafficGuard starts at $50 per month. Both have a free version for interested business owners who want to get their ads protected. TrafficGuard can be integrated with Google Ads, AppsFlyer, Afiz, and adjust which ClickGuard cannot be. TrafficGuard allows you to track click behavior, peek at budget control, and access to activity dashboard for a close engagement on your ads. Clixtell Vs TrafficGuard. Clixtell starts at $15 per month while TrafficGuard starts at $50 per month. However, only TrafficGuard allows free versions for interested business owners who want to get their ads protected. TrafficGuard supports mobile Android and iPhone for deployment. Clixtell is a world leader in providing cutting-edge solutions for call tracking and analytics, detecting and preventing Google Ads and Bing Ads click fraud activity, and website video recording. Meanwhile, TrafficGuard is a triple-layered ad fraud protection for brands, agencies, and ad networks. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about TrafficGuard and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.